every day. 8-quart pressure air fryer. Pressure cooking lid allows you to pressure or slow cook quickly to tenderize. Then finish using the air fryer lid for a golden crisp. Gives you 44 built-in cooking functions on an easy-to-read LCD display for optimal multi-cooker performance and versatility. Pressure cooker inner pot provides long-lasting durability meal after meal and provides non-stick reliability for easy cleanup. Accommodates an 8-pound chicken for even more cooking capacity. Perfect for large families and gatherings. PTFE and TFOA free.
Do you enjoy cooking? According to the published report, there are 5 small kitchen appliances that may change your life. 1. A multi-cooker. 2. A high-performance blender. 3. An air fryer toaster oven. 4. An indoor grill. And 5. A kettle. That's a lot of different appliances. However, what if you could take the versatility of multiple cooking devices and put them in a single appliance? Not only would this save money, but this single appliance could be used every day in your household for a long time. And with plenty more benefits too. Introducing NuWave Duet pressure cooker with a powerful air fryer and the indoor grill combined into one appliance that simply does it all. According to the experts, the following is a checklist of points to look for when buying a multi-cooker or pressure cooker: size, liner material, safety features, versatility, 2 pressure settings, pressure indicator, and fast release. Likewise, according to the experts, the following is a checklist to look for in an air fryer. Duet has an airflow rate of 500 feet per minute to crisp your favorite fried foods without any added fats or oil. And Duet, with its preheat and sear features, fires up like an outdoor grill where the internal temperature reaches 465 degrees, giving you a great char. And combined with cyclonic air, Duet gives you a crispier texture. So don't waste your money on an appliance that does only one thing. Spend your money wisely and get the NuWave Duet. NuWave has been a household industry leader for the past 20 years, bringing new innovative home products that have helped consumers like you to live well for less.
NuWave. Live well for less.